Hey Rebels, so today I'm going to do a quick review on these wireless Lavalier microphone set as well as the DJI Mic Minis. And I'm actually doing a quick unpackaging and I'll just talk about them, and you guys let me know if you have any questions in the comments. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so the first things, I got these right here from Amazon. I believe I paid about 10 bucks. They were on sale, and I said, why not? So I ended up getting them, and let's open it up. Let's see. So the first thing you see open up, there's two mics. Open up those mics. Nice little mics right here. And I actually had a pair similar to these, not this brand, and they work fine. Two mics. And I think there's a little switch right here to turn them on. Once you press it, I don't know if they're probably dead right now, but there's a power button here to turn these on. And then there's a little transmitter that goes for your iPhone or your your Android. It has USB-C, so you can use it for either or. And then it comes with power cord, of course, and then you get a little iPhone adapter for the old iPhone if you have the old one, Thunderbolt or whatever it's called. So that's that. And overall, I did test them out. The quality is not too bad. I would recommend, if you're gonna use them outdoors, they're not the best. But if you use them indoors, and it's like a studio like me, as I'm using them, they're really clear and crisp. I haven't had any issues other than when I was outside snowboarding, and you could kind of hear some of the muffling or the wind in the background. But other than that, if you're using the side and the only downside about this, I would say, is this only works with the with the iPhone or a smartphone. That's about it. It's not portable. You can't use it with other devices like cameras, it's just only for smartphones. All right, so that's for the Lavalier microphone. So 10 bucks. And next we got my favorite, DJI. I just got these. I haven't had time to test them out, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna be phenomenal because it's DJI and their quality stuff. I have a lot of their other quality stuff, and their things are amazing. Never surprises me. They're just top quality to me. So I'm gonna open up the package though and show you guys what's inside. I believe I also got these on Amazon for half the price during the holiday. One of my friends reached out to me and was like, hey man, they got some DJI mic for like I think I paid 80 bucks for these. During, I don't know if they're still on sale right now, but I got these for 80 bucks. And usually they go for about 160 or 170 or something like that. So I was pretty stoked when I saw the price. So I had to hop on those. But anyways, let's get to it. I'm gonna open it up. Let's see how to open this thing up. Up to the top. All right, let's see what's in here, guys. Nice little packaging. So we got some tag, some nice little swag to give some stickers. I'm definitely gonna use that. Put on my snowboard probably, or my helmet, my snowboard helmet. And then, let's see, we got the actual device in here. Put it up, a nice little pouch. DJI, nice little gray pouch, carrying pouch. Open it up. One of these. Looks like these are some wind mufflers. or for the windscreen pieces that you put on the mic. Little windshields. What else we got in here? We got some aux. Looks like some aux cables. Yeah, some sort of USB aux. And this device here, this works with your smartphone, your a DSLR. I think it also works with your like a professional camera. So if you have like a 4K, like what you guys see, I showed you guys, like a very professional, like, you know, camera. It works with that too. So you can use it with. So this is actually a little bit more versatile as far as, you know, being able to use different devices with it. And then, so let's keep going. We got a little case here. This is the case. Let me open this up. All right, so here goes a little case. DJI. Looks like a bigger earpod case. And it has a little USB-C charger for it. And there's a little label in the front that says press to unlock. Let me take this off. Little sticker off. It says pop to open. Oh, nice. And here we go. Voila. You see some lights blinking right there. Looks like they might have charged it before they shipped it out, which they should do. There's a case, and let's see, we got first mic right here. Ooh, these are solid. These feel like real quality. Just with the magnet in the back. So these have magnets, guys. It has clips and magnets, so you can actually put the mic here, and then behind the show you'll put the magnet, and it will hold it. So that's pretty fresh. And then you have two in this pair, guys. So two. So one, if you're doing an interview with someone or something like that, you got an extra mic. And here goes the receiver. Nice little small receiver. And I still gotta look at the manual and everything. And I'll probably do another video. Let me know in the comments, guys. I could do another video on quality once I test it out, and I'll definitely let you guys know my honest opinion. Even though it is DJI, who knows? It might not be good. I don't know, but I'm still gonna. I still trust it. But like I said, I'll test it out, and if you guys want me to give you a second video on the quality of these, I'll definitely do that. Just let me know in the comments, guys. But yeah, this is like a little camera kind of deal. Look at this. You have a little dial on the side. You have a little clip right here too, if you want to put on, I guess, on your belt or something like that. But yeah, guys, so this is pretty much the end. This is pretty much it right here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you guys would cop it or drop it or put it in your pocket. And would you buy the other one? If you guys have any other questions, maybe I didn't answer your questions, let me know in the chat, guys. Peace out. See you in the next.